Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To replace the HIR2 bulb for the dipped and high beams, rotate a quarter turn anti-clockwise while holding the gray base, then remove the assembly. Disconnect the electrical connections. To remove the bulb, press the tab on the connector and pull the bulb out. Take the new bulb. Reconnect the electric connector. Take the plastic base in your fingers and pivot it a quarter turn to the left.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the parts for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
To replace the indicator light bulbs, make a quarter turn anti-clockwise holding the gray cap, then remove the whole thing. Everything should come out easily. Remove the bulb, push and unscrew a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Put the new bulb in the base, then insert the assembly into the lamp and rotate it a quarter turn to the right. The side lights are LED and cannot be changed. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.